Hello everyone, welcome in the new tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about the picture, how you can insert the particular picture. So under the insert tab there is one button which is called as insert picture from, and you have to select this device. But currently what we are going to do, we are going to first of all change the slide layout. Why? Because what I'm thinking that left hand side one image will be there and the right hand side our whole text will be there. So I have selected one of the fourth number slide, and in which I am going to change the layout first. So once you go into the layout, you will find there is one slide which is with the picture with the caption. We are going to select this so that our slide has been separated in the two different segregated manner. Okay, and now here you can see that one image button is automatically shown. So once you click on that, you can see that click icon to add the picture. It has been written. Once you click on that, you have to select the image. But for the selection purpose, you may wonder that how can we add or we can download the good quality photograph. So you may think that let us go to the Google and search for the any artificial intelligence photograph, and then we will directly download. But sometimes it happens that it may contain copyright issue, and if you download it, then it may possible that you have to pay some of the royalty. Also, you may not find the good quality of the image, not the right quality or right dimension image. So for that purpose, I will give you some of the important slides. Okay, so one is now you have to add a new tab in the Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using, and there are total one or two different sites as such. You may use the pixel.com or unsplash.com or Pixabay. So these are the few of the important slides. So now we are going to use pixabay.com, in which you can easily download whatever image you want to download in the good quality without no copyright concern. And there are n number of stock images. You can see that here it is written royalty free stock image. So you can download it from there. Now I want to download artificial intelligence image. Here you can download image, also videos, music, sound effects, GIFs. So there are so many things you can download, but currently we require only artificial intelligence image. Just press the enter. You can see that there are n number of photographs will be popped up. First row, which is so here they are sponsored image. So for that purpose you have to pay some royalties, but we are going to download any free images. So you can see that there are n number of good quality images are available. Now we are going to select any of them. So let us assume that now we are going to select, let me find some good images. Now I think it is very good, and you just have to select, it will be open up. Here download button will be activated. Okay, you just click on download and select the good quality. Like we want to download it in 1920 by 1280 pixel. Just press the download button and close this pop-up window. The file will be downloaded. Now we will directly go to the PowerPoint presentation. Here in the download section the image will be there. You just double click and automatically the image will be inserted. You can see the beauty. Now our image has been loaded. So now our earlier slide was not looking good, but now currently with the image and that we have changed the layout, our slide is very looking good. So this important thing which I wanted to teach you in this tutorial. If you want to update the picture photograph any properties, you just have to select one picture format tab will be opened up. Here you can do n number of changes. If you want to change the color corrections, you can select. Just I am going briefly. Whenever we require in future, we will just go through that. Otherwise, currently I am not going to teach you detailed view. In artificial effect, there are different kinds of photographs. Conversion is available. Transparency. If you want to reduce the compress picture quality, then you can do that. If you have updated anything and if you want to reset and discard all the formatting, you can select this. If you want to apply any border or any effect, you can add. You can see that. Likewise, you can select any of the whatever you want, right? Now as usual, picture border, picture effect, picture layout, these are all the things which I have already teach you in some of the earlier lectures. Now again let me go here, picture format, bring forward, send backward. Whenever two things are overlapping, at that time we can use this part. And if you want to crop something unwanted part, you can do it by clicking over here. You can see that automatically it has removed some of the unwanted part. So likewise, you can update the image property. So let us stop here, and in the next tutorial we will learn another topic. Thank you so much.